I was hoping there was someone out here. I just take pictures.
You said raging?
Yeah. Hit me up. I'll edit the pictures or whatever, and I'll put them on Facebook or whatever. You guys can browse them from there.
Where's the train horn even at? Whoa. Hey, that shit is hard.
Dude, it's like 17 bucks on Amazon.
The train horn?
Yeah. It has its own little compressor and everything. You just wire it into your battery, and then your horn switch. Unplug it from your regular horn and plug it into that, and that's all you do.
That's pretty cool. I mean, I don't have a bike with a horn or with a battery, but he gonna hit that band. He gonna hit that band, it's gonna throw him off.
He ain't that guy.
He's not him. I should get a... I don't even know how to start this shit.
You got it? Dude, he needs to start turning his key off.
How do I start this? Is it in gear? Yes, it is. Okay, it should be out of gear. Oh yeah! Woo! What the fuck? Is this up? What is right here that's so fucking hot?
The oil. Burn your leg.
That shit hot.
You got a bike right here.
Hey, that nigga funny, man. You fuck with it? You can't pop the clutch in a second. You gonna hit the van, it's gonna throw you off. That's when niggas be getting thrown off because you know how two strokes is. If you pop the clutch, you gotta wheelie into the van.
The van be hitting on this bitch. I'm not gonna lie. When you get in that bitch,
yeah, it's because I be bringing it up in the band. I don't pop the clutch.
No, I burned my finger. You didn't do anything.
Oh, I thought it's because I jumped. It jumped.
Watch that big dog.
What the fuck you about to do, man?
Oh, it's in gear. Help me lift it up. Why you just watching?
What you want to do, nigga?
Lift it up.
You ain't tell me what the fucking plan was.
I'll get on it and reach back. So you can like feel how your arm has to be.
Bro, my fucking pants keep falling down.
That tire sucks. I just put that on. Now it's already gone.
Is that a 402 or a 404 or what?
Put your foot on the bar.
I can't, nigga. That's...
How can't you? Put your foot on the bar. Put your leg down.
Oh,
You
shit.
hand drag like that?
Because I'm not going to be touching the bar. I'm going to be a little bit higher.
You gotta like...
I got to bend both knees.
You gotta bend both
Keep your
knees.
head in front of your bars. Looks like you gotta bend all the way down.
You don't look like you're bending when you're doing it.
Your legs straight up.
How the fuck you bend this
You
knee?
keep your left leg straight. I don't know how I just did that.
You bent both knees.
Don't keep your foot
Bend your left leg more.
I got to bend it out or else it's going to hit this
like
thing.
this.
Yeah, that's...
Bend your left leg like that. Right
Oh
leg
yeah.
like that.
Oh, you're gonna be
and
sideways.
then go
That's
down.
why.
You're keeping your knee like straight, like
You gotta
parallel
be on
with
it
the
like
bike.
a surfboard.
Your knee is like this.
Yeah.
No.
Like
Yeah,
this,
like
right?
that.
Oh, shit. Okay, I could probably do it on the bike. Alright, so we're going for the left hand scrape on the ground. Here we go! Right here! Get on my left side.
I felt the whole bike.
His ground hit way harder than yours.
No, he took that off.
Nigga, I just rode it. It hits way harder than yours. I tell you, I almost fucking blew off that bitch. Tell you. I almost flew off it. Yeah, you barely had to pop the clutch.
That's what I want to learn.
You know handbrake yet?
I was practicing it the other day, but I almost hit. Look at that.
Burnt the fuck out of myself.
Were you trying to get in there?
Yes, I was trying to fucking.
No.
I was trying to
he
put
tries
these
to get
fucking.
in on that side, right? Burns himself. He's like, oh, let me try the other side with the other arm. Goes in on the other side, burns the other arm.
Could I be forgetting?
Oh,
like-
it wasn't like this. It was like this and then this.
He was like this. Ah. Oh, let me try this side. Ah.
Dude, how much shit do you lose out of those damn tubes? Like
A
how,
lot.
How often do you have to fill up the gas? Does
A
that
lot.
you have to pre-mix?
Hey, I want to try the no hand. I want to try no hand. You're not faster than me.
Oh, look at brakes. What's up?
Let's go.
Watch it. That's burning yet.
You gotta say go.
You can just roll into it.
Fucking hell, that's where your speed is at.
All right, then come on. We can just dump the clutch in.
Off the line.
Wait. Hey, come here. You say, keep being the person to say go. I'm about to race this little dumbass thing.
Ha! Huh?
Didn't have red on this?
Nah, I don't remember.
I remember putting red on it.
You're just gonna rev limiter, it's not gonna come up. My shit comes up.
So wait, beep, 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 and go, or beep, beep, go. That, look, that's on your side. Turn your camera off, bitch.
Ah! Hey! Hey! I fucked up! I fucked up! Run that back! What up? Run that back, I fucked up. My shit stalled, like it like stalled and stopped.
Burn on Marcus, burn on Marcus.
I see it.
That little thing sound nice.
You got FMF on the back. Huh? Nah, hold on.
For him to do that?
Nah, wait for Chris to get back.